board that's attacked. So you might have a function of a land.
And on the 7th day, he rested. But not me, not Captain Puerto Rico. Day 7, beach cleaning project. Project LBC. Let's go. After the big rainstorm we had, this beach looked like a goddamn mess. It was just trash everywhere. There's still trash everywhere. But it was my goal to come down here once a day for 7 straight days and pick up and collect at least 4 bags of trash. I had to wake up early, I pulled it off. It rained on me, I pulled it off. It rained on me again, I pulled it off. My feet, my hands, everything were cold. I was freezing, it was chilly. I pulled it off. 4 bags is the goal. Day number 7.
I was staying in New York at the time in an almost deserted downtown bank.
First full bag of the day. I'm down here for at least 4 bags. I brought the raincoat. I'm prepared this time. Let's go. It's 8 o'clock now. I am almost done filling up the second trash bag. I am about halfway to the point where I want to go. I want to get back to the lifeguard stand that I was at yesterday so I can add to the bag circle I've been making. I've just been walking right along where the tide comes up to, and I've just been grabbing stuff on the walk. I haven't even really needed to stop. It's a different way than the way I've been doing it, but nonetheless, it's effective. Like I said, I'm packing these up real quick. This one's almost done, and let's continue on. Party on, Wayne. Party on, Garth.
It's Wayne's World, party time, excellent. I don't care what it thinks of me.
Coming to join the party, wearing my Red Sox hat, of course. Hi, good morning. She finally woke up. Hey, sleepyhead.
You went to bed at like.
Hey, sleepyhead. All right, I got myself a partner. Party on, Wayne. Party on, Garth. She doesn't know it. Party on, Wayne.
Party on, Garth.
She's never seen Wayne's World? Jeez. Vinois, Pindois. Vinois, Pindois.
Vita Bindoa!
Stop it, you're scaring me. Oh, cool, you're learning Cassandra's language.
I don't care what it thinks of me. Thinks of me.
Today we have our fun find of the day, brought to you by Nicole and her hypodermic needle.
So many dead and dying. Stroke terror.
It's the first hypodermic needle of the day, Sing it with me. It's the first hypodermic needle of the day, You know the words. It's the first hypodermic needle of the day, These little tiny birds over here right now are playing in the waves. They're running out to the water, waiting for the waves to come, and then they run up the coast. Look at them. Ain't that just the cutest shit? Bag number 2 in the books. And we get some more help. I think Nicole has found the fun find of the day, number 2. I totally just sounded like what's his face in Bird Box. We're gonna make America great again!
Are making the end of the world great again!
Look at this clam she found. She found a jumbo clam. Now, do we take it home and eat it?
Do you not see the foam on
No.
this water?
Oh, I
Green
see the green foam, the brown foam, the shit foam. This poor little clam is probably eating all that. There she is. Bag number 3. Bag number 3 is in the books.
It's some part of the spinal cord that's attacked, so you might
Bag number 4 in the book. Guess what? Bag number 5 in the books. Someone's finally joining the cause. Only 7 days too late. So it is indeed starting to rain now. We're gonna call it a day. We're about to fill up bag number 6. 4 was the goal. We did 2 extra, and we did it before it started raining. 6 bags in the books. Thank you, Carlos. Thank you, Nicole. 7 days. I've collected about 100 pounds of trash each day. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for coming out here and supporting me. If you've come out here and supported me, you haven't. This has been the Rim Vlog. Catch you on the flip side.
I don't care.